Optimize Engagement is talent org software for a specific operational decision. Optimizes engagement strategies with candidates by analyzing their interactions. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that talent org teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Optimize Engagement narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Optimize Engagement starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include candidate response rate, candidate interest score, time since last contact, email channel effectiveness, and LinkedIn channel effectiveness. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then calculate the optimal number of days between candidate contacts based on their response rate, time since last contact, and the urgency of the position. Calculate the normalized priority score for the email channel by weighting its effectiveness with the candidate's interest level relative to all channels. Calculate the normalized priority score for the LinkedIn channel by weighting its effectiveness with the candidate's interest level relative to all channels. Calculate the normalized priority score for the phone channel by weighting its effectiveness with the candidate's interest level relative to all channels. And calculate an overall engagement effectiveness index from 0-100 based on the candidate's response rate, interest score, and time decay since last contact. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how talent org teams actually make decisions. Optimize Engagement returns structured outputs such as next best action, optimal contact frequency, engagement index, channel priority scores, and response rate versus engagement index. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of Optimize Engagement is not just automation, it is a controlled way to turn repeated talent org work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.